A young girl in a red coat hurried through the morning crowd. Around her, people stared at their phones, headphones shutting out the world. Her mother's words echoed in her mind. Don't lose your way. Stay aware of what's around you. Her wolf was not in the forest anymore. It lived in the glowing screens. Fake happiness, endless ads, misleading messages. The wolf whispered, "Take this shortcut, you'll be happy faster. Buy this, and you'll be worth more." She looked down at her phone for a moment and stepped into the wrong street. The crowd around her suddenly felt strange, unfamiliar. Loneliness wrapped around her. Then a sign caught her eyes. Shortcut, quick results. The wolf's whisper grew louder. In the middle of the crowd, she felt a sudden silence. It was like her grandmother's voice, but this time it came from within. The outside voices may tempt you with the easy path, but the true way is the one guided by both your heart and your mind. She made her choice. Without listening to the wolf's whispers, she walked on, and she understood at last. Courage is balancing the whispers of the heart with the guidance of the mind. Courage is not following the voices that mislead you, but listening to the silence within.